In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily and quickly create a map animation using Canva. It is so simple. All you have to do is enter the country names and the animation is generated automatically. So let's jump right in and see how it works. First, open Canva. Then you have to select landscape video format. I will name it map animation. Next, go to apps section on the left sidebar and search map video. As you can see, the map video appears right at the top. If the app is not showing up for you, don't worry, I have already covered how to fix that issue in a previous video. You can find the link to that video in the description below or click the card in the top right corner of your screen. Now let's click on the map video and start creating our animation. As you can see, it asks us for video duration. I will select 5 seconds, and next we have to choose plane type. I will go with default one. After that, we have to select our country 1 and country 2. I will first select United States, and for country 2 I will select Finland. I will check this at flag fill, and also I will check at text. Then I just need to click create video button, and that's it. Our map animation video will be ready. As you can see, our video is generated. I will click to add to design button. As you can see, our animation is working fine and it looks good. So this is the easiest and quickest way to create map animation using Canva. If you found this helpful, do like and subscribe. Thank you so much.